All right, this is how to change your oil on a 2007 to 2014 GMC truck or SUV. This is located right up under your engine block. And the thing that you would need to be looking for is once you get your truck, jacked up on stands and you get up under it, you'll need a bucket to discard your old oil. And then you'll need to look for this bolt. That is a size 15 bolt. Now what I'm gonna use is I'm gonna try to get away with a 16. It may or may not work, but it seems to be I just can't find mine right now. But I'm gonna try to use a 16. And then I'm going to use a breaker bar. And let's see how this goes. Got it on. Let's see if we could. Got it loose. A little force. Might be too premature. But the 16 worked for me. And that's cool. So what I'm gonna do is, and you gotta be ready. You gotta be ready. Because that oil will get you. It will get you. Now from doing this, my previous experiences, I kind of know about where to locate my bucket, where to put it in proximity to what's about to happen. So let's start dripping. Trying to get it to where, all right, I should be able to get it with my hand now. Now it'll start to shoot once you get it off. You don't want to get oil everywhere. There it is. I'll take that. Let that drain off. You always want to keep you some handy dandy shop towels around and let that drain out. And once that's done, I'll do the oil filter next. Here's an oil filter. What I'll use is the oil filter tool. I'll go up and wrap that around like so. And then I'll loosen it a little bit, just a little, so that I could do the rest with my hand. Get my bucket and slide it directly up under, and grab my tool. I didn't do it loose enough. I'll start to drip. I'll just let it kind of do that like so for a bit. Now, always keep you some shop towels around. Let that drip. This is what it looks like when your oil filter is off. Once you get your oil filter off and it drains, it's okay if it drips a little. You want to go ahead and line your new one up and start twisting it back on in. Now I've heard that it doesn't have to be super tight, but you want to get it in, so of course where it doesn't come out much. You also don't want to bend your filter either. So I'm going to get this tool and try to do the reverse of it. Do the reverse. Well, that didn't work. But yeah, you wanna give it a good twist, and that's pretty much it. That's how you change your oil filter, as well as your oil.